All right, welcome back. So this is a 16 by 20. I have the Glidden Untinted Base 3 and Primary Elements Mica Pigments along with Craftnique Gel Stain, the Untinted Base. So I'll probably do like an air swipe. So this is Blue Bayeau. Or Bayeau. Blah, blah, blah. Anyway, Blue Bayeau. Did I even say that right? Bayeau. I think that's how you say it. Then I've got black. Uh-oh. Did I knock you guys out of frame? Nope. Okay. So this is Pyrrole Red Light. I just have a little bit of that for some contrast. Then this is Primary Elements Mystique. Isn't that pretty, you guys? God, it makes me crazy, that color. This is kind of a combination of, the Blue Bayeau and the Mystique. And then I added some black. And yeah, it's kind of like a Heinz 57. But ultimately, it's like a dark phthalo blue. Okay. This is Stargazer. And that real... Oh, God, it just... That color makes me go crazy. Then I have some metallic orange. I don't know if I'm using all these colors, but I know that I need to use them up. Or, yeah, I don't have a plan, so I really can't tell you. But this is Craftnique's Gold. This is what makes me melt. I mean, it just looks like you took gold and threw it in a pot and melted it, and then poured it in a cup. Alright. Then we got some Teal Zircon. And this will probably go right under the cell activator. And I have one last color, which is, this is Autumn Leaf by Primary Elements. And then I mixed some metallic orange into it from Artist Loft. So it gave it like a really deep, bold, burnt orange. But it melts into the white. So that's one thing I love about it. I have a gallon of Walmart's Color Place semi-gloss white. You just got to make sure you don't shake it and you don't have any bubbles, because bubbles cause measles, and this particular paint will bubble if you're rough with it. Cell activators, same thing. This is a teaspoon of Amsterdam titanium white with 3 teaspoons of the just regular American Floetrol. And then I just added like 4 or 5 drops of water. All right, we're going right down the center. Back and forth. Because we need to make that, that pillow. Actually, I shouldn't have went over the sides. Let me push it. Okay. I'm gonna put my popsicle sticks down because that will keep it from running over the edge. So you just scrape and then like tuck it under, right? Because then it would have to flow over the popsicle stick, and you just take the popsicle sticks away when you're ready to go. It can move over the popsicle sticks, but it does slow it. So we're gonna put this guy down first. And this is the Mystique from Primary Elements. I'm going to put some black down right in the middle. Just a strip. Now I have the Blue Bayeau. This is the Teal Zircon. Wait a minute. You know what? I need to smack it. It's got a lot of bubbles. There we go. The Stargazer. Just a strip of that, really light. I want the other side to be dark. So we're going to do this guy, or like hair. Orange. Now the gold I'm going to weave in and out. Kind of like this. Right? And I'm going to come back like that. I don't know how that's going to go. Let's just cross our fingers and hope for the best. Because I would suck if it doesn't work. Kind of have like a more of a yellower gold. Alright, here's our cell activator. Here we go. Oh! I want my attachment. That's a no bueno. Going slow this time. I'm going to leave it to stretching. Hold on. Let's do that first. Now let's do it. Right? Okay. Let's let that chill for a minute, right? No, you cannot go this way. Okay, just a little bit, maybe. There we go. All right. Wow, you guys, look at that. That's pretty. You want to see up close? I can show you. Oh my God. Almost. It's like an instant panic attack. Wow, look at that. Ooh, let's hope. I want this so bad. Let's take a photo. Let me get on my step stool. Okay. All right. Let's look at that ribbon. That was a beautiful ribbon pour right there for you to stretch. Move for me. Wow. I don't want to go over the edge yet. I can't do it, man. Maybe just a little bit. Okay? Because I want white. I don't want it all to just go away. They are stretching. You still... Okay, good. You guys can still see. Just a little bit. Okay. Whoa! Yeah! Look at that! I wanna stop so badly. Let's see if I can just get it over this edge. Come on, man. Okay. We got it. Nope, I'm not doing it. I'm not going all the way. Come on. Just a little. I'm not doing it. I can't. It will not stretch. Alright, sorry for bumping the camera, guys. But, you know what? Wow! Okay, you know what? I can't take it anymore. That is it. We are stopping right here. Right here, right now. Wow. That is crazy looking. I don't know. I don't know if I should do anything else to it or just stop. Something is like screaming in my ear. Stop, stop, stop. So we're going to stop. Just going to, you know, touch up a couple sides and just let it be. That is freaking crazy looking. Look at that. Oh my gosh, this is all primary elements, you guys. I do have a coupon code in the description. You know, it's the same price, but you do get 20% off. So I hope you will use it. Because I'm telling you, man, like, look at, oh my God. I can't wait till this dries, you guys. This is going to be freaking amazing. Okay, day 2. Check this out, guys. So drying has started. It was really cold and rainy here yesterday, so I do think that affects a larger size canvas like this. I might have had a lot more paint on here too. I mean, I'm still working it out when I'm going bigger and everything. But I sent the picture to Karen from Waterfall Acrylics, and I said, what do you think? And then 2 seconds later, she sent a photo back of hers, and she said, what do you think? And I said, you use the same colors as me. And she's like, nope, you use the same colors as me. So we were giggling about it. But I think her cell activator was black, and I think she used a type of green in there. I haven't seen her video yet, but make sure you guys check it out, you know. So this was like a total unplanned collab. We were like, we have to do this. So anyway, but yeah. I hope you liked the video. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so because it does help out my channel. And see you next time, guys. Take care.